Headlines making the afternoon news. Manchester taxi operator accused of fatally stabbing spouse in front of children remanded. Two men surprise each other at St. Andrew gunfight. A man was fatally stabbed by his uncle during an argument in Milbank, Portland this morning. The uncle is being sought by the police. It is reported that the two had verbal confrontations over the past week. It is further reported that during an exchange this morning, which got heated, the uncle allegedly used a knife to stab his nephew. The injured man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police are processing the scene. A 29-year-old taxi operator accused of using 3 knives to fatally stab his spouse in front of 2 children just over a week ago was remanded when he appeared in the Manchester Parish Court on Wednesday. The accused, Kevon Leslie, otherwise called Nice, made his first court appearance on Wednesday before presiding judge Monique Harrison. His attorney Norman Godfrey told Observer Online that Leslie was remanded to appear in court on April 26. When the case was mentioned on Wednesday, it was disclosed that the case file is incomplete as a post-mortem has not yet been done. On March 10, Leslie allegedly stabbed his common-law wife, Shade Brown, 28, as surgical assistant at their home in Daly's Grove, Newport, in front of Brown's 11-year-old son and a 5-year-old boy. A senior police source said investigators believe the couple had a dispute about 8:30 p.m. A police report said the man then proceeded to take the knives to stab Brown repeatedly before fleeing the scene. The children were reportedly locked inside the house with Brown's body. After hours of trying to get out the house to seek assistance, the 11-year-old alerted neighbors. Leslie was held by the police on Saturday, March 11. 25-year-old Randy Cole, a tattoo artist of Waterloo District, Yeowaton, St. Catherine, was charged with wounding with intent, unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon, and unauthorized possession of ammunition following an incident on Tuesday, February 7, 2023. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that about 9:40 p.m., Cole pounced upon the now complainant on Bryce Hill Road in St. Andrew and opened gunfire, hitting him in both legs. The gunfire was returned and Cole was also shot and injured. Both injured men were transported to hospital where they were admitted for treatment. 2 firearms, a Taurus pistol and a Beretta 9mm pistol, and a magazine containing 3 rounds of ammunition were removed from the scene of the shooting and subsequently seized. Cole was later charged after a question and answer interview was conducted. The other person has been in hospital under police guard pending further investigation. Cole's court date is being finalized.